Hi, my name's Pennie Blackburn and I'm a clinical psychologist. My father was a seafarer, and so I have some sense of what life is like at sea and for your families back at home. The global pandemic has been an incredibly tough time, and many of you will have been affected directly in ways none of us could have imagined just a few months ago. Whether you're stranded on a vessel and can't get home, or you're stranded at home and waiting to get back on board, or maybe you're stuck in quarantine somewhere on shore, I just want to send you a message of solidarity. There is a major international effort to try and get crew changes moving again, but for many seafarers, the future is very uncertain, and that brings a lot of stresses and strain. When we're going through tough times, it's really important that we take care of ourselves and each other. That can be really hard to do when we've got so many worries on our minds, but acknowledging that things are difficult and taking care of ourselves can just help us to get through. As someone once said, if you're going through hell, keep going. Just take a moment today and think about what you can do just to look after yourself. Even if it's a small thing, for just a few minutes, what can you do to look after yourself today? Remember to be kind and compassionate to yourself the same way you would your loved ones. At the beginning of the pandemic, I put together a brief guide for seafarers on psychological first aid with ISWAN. Whether you're worried about yourself or someone else, checking in with each other can be one way to help. If you notice signs of stress in yourself, don't be afraid to reach out and ask for help. And if you notice signs of stress in someone else, don't be afraid to ask them if they're okay. You won't make it worse. And sometimes just knowing you're not alone can make all the difference. People often say that they'd wished they'd asked for help earlier. So don't wait, do it today. If you want to get hold of some more information or support, remember Port Welfare Services like Mission to Seafarers and Stella Maris are there for you. And Seafarer Help is available in several languages, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, wherever you are in the world. Thanks very much for listening. Goodbye.